Hello guys, you're welcome to my page and you're welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to get started on Facebook if your aim is to monetize your Facebook. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can get started on the monetization process. If your aim is to get monetized on this blue app, then I think this video is for you. If you don't know how to go about it, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start, you don't know what you need to do to get started, you don't know what it entails, okay, this video is for you. Then in this video I'll be showing you how you can start that journey. You can actually make money from posting your normal video every day, your own video, okay? Yes, congratulations to Nigerians, because Nigeria is now eligible for monetization. So you don't have to struggle again to look for someone abroad to open an account for you. Then you start sharing your hard-earned money with the person, and you can do it by yourself, because Nigeria is now eligible. So don't sleep on this, don't relent. Although content creation is not for everyone, but if you feel you can do it, of course I believe everyone can do it. It's not only by teaching people on what to do and how to solve problems. You can film your daily life, your daily activities, and people will be interested to watch it, and you make money from it. Do you get it? Can be a side hustle for you, okay? Doing what you like. You will be filming yourself doing what you like. Maybe you are a hairdresser, you just be filming yourself while making people's hair. Do you get? And you'll be surprised that people will be very, very interested to watch it. As a fashion designer, okay, you can film yourself while you are doing your normal work, while you're designing those beautiful clothes, and you'll be surprised how people will, So in your daily life, you can decide to, do some vlog. Maybe you are traveling from here to here, you just film yourself, okay? You are selling, you're producing pure water, you're marketing pure water. You can leave the operation side of it and film while you're supplying to people. Okay, you will be surprised. People will be very, very interested to watch it. So it's not about teaching. It's not only about teaching people on how to do this and do that makes you a content creator. No, or all these comedians. If you can do a comedy, if you can make people laugh, you can also do that. Do you get? So that is why I said I believe it's for everybody. If you cannot do all of this, you can decide to video yourself while you are cooking in your house. You don't have to talk. Do you get? You don't have to say anything. Just be doing your thing. Do your thing, and you'll be surprised. You'll start cashing out. Okay, people are making money from this blue app, and you are not exempted. Do you get? What is optional though is by choice if you don't want. But I'm just bringing it to you if you're not aware that you cannot monetize your Facebook and start, getting something from your daily posts. Okay, yeah, it's very, very possible. Now, to start, you need to do what? Turn your Facebook profile into professional mode, because it's very, very important that you do that if you want to get monetized. Okay, that way you will gain access to professional and creator tools to grow your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. You can do it in two ways. Okay, you can decide to turn on your personal profile into professional mode and also gain access. You can also create a page, a fan page. Okay, it's a professional mode too. You can also create a fan page. This is the two ways you can earn money. This is the two ways you can earn money from Facebook. Either you turn your professional, either you turn your personal profile into professional mode, or you create a page. Okay, So all these things we are going to put it into practical, but for page will be for another time. And we have, advantage and disadvantage of using a page and a professional mode. There is an advantage. Okay, now I can tell you that page pays more than turning your profile into professional mode. Page pays more than your profile, but that will be for another time. The discussion will be for another time, but for today I'm going to be showing you how you can get started, okay, on this monetization journey. Now let's head on to it. The first thing to do is to turn your Facebook profile into professional mode, or you create a page. So let me show you the practical aspect of it. Stay tuned. Now this is your Facebook interface. Click on the three dash. It is at the top right corner of your phone. Now once you click on the three dots, this place will open. Okay, around here you can find the professional mode. Sometimes if you can't find it here, you have to scroll down. You are seeing it. You can see professional mode or professional access. So after clicking on the professional access, click on public presence. Now this place will open. It will now ask you, how do you want to get started? Do you want to use professional mode or create a new page? If you want professional mode, you go ahead and click on professional mode. Now it's processing. Then it will now open to this place. Turn on professional mode. Go ahead and turn it on. Click on turn on. You can see there's something I want you to see here. Get paid for your content. If you're eligible, unlock monetization tool to earn money by creating new content. You see that? So go ahead and turn on the monetization tools. Now it's processing. Now it has opened. This is the place I call backdoor. Okay, this is where you post daily. Whenever you want to post, you come to this side and post, because this is where you will see your weekly challenge, your weekly task. You do it. Like this person is on level 1 right now, so once you are able to complete the task for level 1, you will automatically move to level 2. So just go ahead and explore. Okay, you want to add your bio, you add your bio. You want to do so many things here. Okay, go ahead and explore it. Connect with your audience. This is your weekly challenge. Okay, so every day you come here, you post through this place so that you can track your progress and achievement. Okay, once you are able to complete your task, it will move to level 2. Now this is your achievement. This is the badges that Facebook is expecting you to get. It's only when you complete your task that you will get all of these badges. Okay, so just be consistent in posting, okay, and doing your weekly challenge. At a time you will see a content spark. This is the same place you will see that content spark. Okay, so when you see that content spark, if you post within that time, Facebook will help and push your content to a new audience. Okay, and thereby getting more people to follow you. And this is where you also see your leaderboard and know exactly where you are. So let's move out of this place and go to your Facebook profile, then come back again. So you can now see welcome to professional mode, meaning that this Facebook account is now on professional mode. Okay, you can see the professional mode. This person has 1.2k followers. Okay, thank you very much.